Good morning. It is Friday, pretty much a week after the fashion week. Feel a little bit more myself now. It took like so much time well, I wasn't even relaxing, I was working, but I just didn't go into the studio. But I had loads of computer work to do and editing and catching up on getting all my YouTubes edited, so yeah. But I'm heading into the studio now. I have a few orders that I need to get made. Some bags, like handmade ones that are pre-ordered, so they have to get made now. I'm going to Manchester on Tuesday, I think. Basically, I have to get everything done because I'm going to Manchester on Tuesday to see Charlie XCX. I'm so excited. It's part of the Brat tour. Yeah, I'm so thrilled. Myself and my boyfriend have seen her a good few times over the years, but this one I think is going to be really, really special. So I can't wait for that. I'm also going for dinner tonight for my friend's birthday. So have on kind of a cute outfit. I'll try and find somewhere to show you. It's been so cold, but I also have like a really long faux fur jacket in the studio, or coat, so I think I'll bring that home tonight to wear. Yeah, it was the first day I've like actually got up, done some makeup and got dressed. Okay, I'm just going to quickly show you my outfit before I head in. It's so cold, but I'll show you with my coat and then without. So this is with my coat, just a H&M coat that I got a while back, but I love it for the structure. It's so nice. That is with my coat off. So you've seen this skirt a million times. I think it's really old Oasis, and I just have it on with these Zara boots that I thrifted, vintage shirt, and Psychic Outlaw Patrick waistcoat. If you've been here for a while, you've seen me wear that a million times, and beret. I think this is from Monkey from years ago. That's outfit for today. I made an effort because we're heading out for dinner later. I need to go charge my camera, so we'll catch up in a bit. Good morning. It is Sunday, and I'm still kind of busy working away, but I'm just taking the morning to go out with friends. I'm gonna go to the beach. It's like super windy, but I think it will be really nice. So I'm going to show you my outfit. All black and grey today, but I have on, I don't know if you can see, jumper is John Russia, then this thrifted like pleated skirt, and then the coat that you've seen me wear loads of times. I don't know how good the light is, but yeah, just a casual enough outfit, nice and warm, heading out to the beach. So yeah, really looking forward to it. I feel like every time I try to film, cars just pull up and it's so embarrassing. But yeah, you've seen that jumper before. Very basic, lovely, cozy outfit for today. Okay, let's go. tiny beach on Sunday morning, walking along with friends. It's so beautiful. I've never been to this beach before, but yeah, it's so nice and the sun is great. So just walking the dogs with my friends. You're gonna stick? Hello? Hiya.
What did you get?
Oh, big wave. So it is Monday, I'm just in the studio and I'm getting some orders packed and sent out today. I'm heading off to Manchester tomorrow to go and see Charlie XCX. I cannot wait, but there's lots of orders that have to be sent. I'm not sure if I showed you, I made like a star bag the week before, so we're going to pack and get everything sent now. So that's what I'm doing, so I'm going to show you. Ignore how messy the studio is. I still haven't fully like unpacked after Fashion Week. I just have had so much going on, but I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first order is for one of these charms. So these are handmade charms, upcycled fabrics, and these are my screen prints. So I've added the tag, and I'm going to add with this order some little badges that I made. And we're going to get that packed up now. I've already made my gift bag. Just added a few cute little stamps to that one. So we're going to get it packed and ready to send now. So there is that order and I'm going to get packed up now. Okay, there is that order packed, ready to go. I'm going to put it in an envelope and then we'll pack the other order. Okay, so the next order is for a black satin star bag. I made this last Friday, I think I finished making it. So I'm sending that now. Actually, we need to tie up the tie. So that is how that looks. And actually, just as an example, I always do the handles like that so you can add the charms that I make. They just slip on like that. Yeah, so this bag, this charm hasn't been ordered, so take that off. Yeah, so that is one part of the order, the bag. And then the second part of the order is a velvet ruffle collar with a little bit of padding. I think this would be really cute for styling like over jackets and that kind of thing, over like a faux fur coat. I think that would be really cute. And it also has some of my screen printed detail. So yeah, that is that order. And then I made a kind of a, and I made a gift bag to pack it in, kind of patchworked. So yeah, we're gonna get that packed up now. I'm just gonna add all of my tags to everything. And for this order, I made a gift of this little key ring. I just thought that that was really cute. I'm gonna add that in as a little gift. Thank you for this order. Oh, okay, so that is that order ready to send. I'm gonna get it packed into a box and yeah, let's get it sent now. Just on the way around now to the post office with the order. so cold outside. Oh, I'm just back from the shop. I sent orders. Now I'm actually doing a talk tonight in Trinity. It's like the Women's Network and the Fashion Society group are hosting a talk all about like the fashion industry. Yeah, so I'm on a panel with a few other stylists, which will be really interesting. So I have around 2.5 hours, I think, before I need to leave for that. I'm going to spend an hour photographing everything that I don't have online. So that over the next few days when I'm away, I can edit those products. And then we need to leave. Okay, so I'm going to go take product photos now, which I'll show you. And then we have to leave. Okay, let's go.